From Sooner Standards, Evaluating File Storage Trade-Offs, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5DAS01. Students learn to evaluate the trade-offs of storing and sharing a file, including its type, size, quality, availability, and how it will be shared. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual storage trade-offs comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.